Good morning, Ada family. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. Guys, we're talking about Cardano today. Thank you to everybody that's been leaving full 5 comments down below. I really appreciate it. I got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started, guys. And looking at the price, I don't give a crap about the price of Cardano. I know it's going down, but we're just going to pick up more on the cheap. Yes, we are. We're excited to buy Cardano at these prices because we know that Cardano is valued way more than this, guys. All right. So we're not going to spend too much time here. Thank you to our wonderful, wonderful, wonderful sponsor, Poop Pool. Go ahead and dump your ADA in this shit. Boy, every time I bring up Poop Pool, man, we got the supporters, the Ravage supporters, and then we got some haters, man. Why you hating on my man's poop here? Come on, bro. Just dump your ADA into the shit and forget about it. Stake it and forget it. That's all you got to do, guys. Poop Pool, these guys are extremely, extremely professional, continuing to pump out those blocks each and every epoch. If you got a little bit of ADA, if you got some extra ADA on Coinbase or something like that, go ahead, send it over to your Roy, send it over to Daedalus, and dump it in the Poop Pool. Ticker symbol POOP. Here's the ID. The information will be in the pinned comment below. Thank you to Poop Pool for sponsoring this video. We really appreciate you. Now, onto the big news of the day. That is not the big news of the day. Onto the big news of the day. We've got El Salvador. El Salvador launching a national cryptocurrency by year's end. Now, why am I bringing this up on a Cardano video? Cardano was mentioned three times in this article, guys. Cardano was mentioned 3 times. In a June 4th meeting with blockchain companies, WizGrind and Cardano, Bukele's brother said what we want to do is build our government wallet and also a stablecoin. Ibrahim also added that the government's next move, digitizing all of the government. At that point, the El Salvadorian public knew nothing about the government's plan to adopt Bitcoin as national currency. The next day, President Bukele grabbed global headlines in Miami by announcing that Bitcoin would be legal tender. Scrolling down a little bit more, Cardano is mentioned later in this article here. In early June, WizGrind made a proposal to the Salvadorian government, along with Swift blockchain company Cardano, to provide consulting services for stablecoin and other blockchain projects. They promised that if selected, they would enlist the help of an Austrian blockchain center to train a local Salvadorian team, otherwise assist in project rollouts. We don't have a regional office for Central America or South America, said Copti. So if we're gonna do a project on this scale, why shouldn't El Salvador be the Cardano main hub for the entire region? It makes perfect sense, and I would agree. The preliminary timeline shows that by August, the Salvadorian government hopes to have a strategic and legal analysis on adjusting national laws to blockchain technology. By September 7th, they hope to have developed the Colon dollar, along with the digital wallet and point-of-sale infrastructure compatible with Android and iOS. A week later, by September 14th, they hope to have a microeconomic analysis and legal strategy for digitizing public records and issuing subsidies. By the end of the year, they hope to have the cryptocurrency will begin circulating. In his June 10th, 7th meeting with Algo, 2 days after Bitcoin announcement and 1 day before the Bitcoin law passed, Ibrahim Bukele told those in attendance that his brother, the president, was in a hurry. So I got a message from the president. We have to kickstart this. We have to rush it because there's too many people right now interested in it. So we are going to have a discussion today about the president, about the next steps to do this. But we are really interested in bringing all the great minds in the world, building a society for the future. So a Cardano stablecoin coming to El Salvador, maybe. We just did a video yesterday about how Charles is working on the JED stablecoin, the algorithmic stablecoin paper. So hopefully he can present that to the Salvadorian government, and that could probably be implemented rather quickly. But I will keep you guys informed on this. This is big news, but you know, most people only care about the price. So whatever. We're just laughing all the way to the bank and stacking ADA and chilling. All right. So we got Cointelegraph here talking about the Alonzo White hard fork. Again, You know, the testnet, Alonzo White testnet is up and running. This is awesome. I can't wait to see how long this is going to take. I think that it's going to be another month for Alonzo White. And, you know, next month, July, is going to be August. And then, you know, maybe in the middle of August, we can get to purple. Middle of September, we could get to Alonzo Black. And then middle of October, the hard fork can be initiated. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong, and we get smart contracts next month. I don't think that's going to happen, but hey, we're still here. We're still stacking data. It's just going to give us a little bit more time to stack, guys. Like, I'm okay with that. Moving on. Yes, we have a new browser extension. Yoroi here, guys. Yoroi. They have now upgraded to Yoroi 4.57. Yoroi browser extension 4.57 is now available in the Edge browser store. Edge users, please make sure you update your nodes. We've got a status update here, guys. Every week, we're just going to read parts of this here. So the Daedalus team worked on the Electron update, which is the final QA and testing phase. They also made good progress on implementing rewards history view while completing the implementation of emptying a wallet warning and some additional UX improvements. The Adestria team remained focused on Alonzo Plutus core features. Specifically, they continued working on streamlining Cardano wallet transaction APIs. They also prepared Cardano Graphic QL v5.0 and moved it to QA. The network team upgraded the P2P switch, worked on network tracers, fixed some tests, and merged the server simulation. DevOps team were busily preparing for the Alonzo White launch on July 14th. Team successfully forked the testnet to the new Alonzo White node. This new network is now producing blocks. Besides the core SPO group, Project Catalyst members and more Plutus partners have joined Alonzo White testnet activities. Meanwhile, IOHK Quality Assurance and other teams continue working on feature testing. ERC20 converter. The team continued to work on Cardano to Ethereum token migration within the converter. They investigated different development scenarios and found related solutions to help improve Ethereum to Cardano migration process. This influenced the decision to deploy all improvements within one release without separating overall functionality. The decentralization team worked on the Merkle trees design documentation, finalized Marlow Run redesign based on their user testing results, and continued working on the Marlow Run infrastructure improvements. They validated the LAMP contract against the Actus test suite and investigated Actus Labs in the playground, and also generating Actus examples. The team implemented a feature that allows a state machine to produce thread tokens, fixed handshake connection onto the Alonzo node. Also changed the time resolution property in Plutus to enable the use of milliseconds. More work needs to be done on the back-end application project. And then Goguen here, the Plutus team worked on PAB amendments to increase waiting times for Uniswap traces, which allows the retrieval of state information for contract instances that have stopped. Additionally, they fixed a response timeout when evaluating contracts in the Plutus playground. And the Marlow team implemented a new design cards with the Marlow Run dashboard and worked on documentation and tooltips. So a busy week indeed for the Cardano and IOHK team. Continue to work hard, guys. We're going to be here for you whenever you guys finish. So we love them, and we're going to keep it moving. And then lastly, guys, we have GitHub weekly development activity, and you already know who's at the top. So the next time somebody says nobody's working on Cardano or Cardano's a vaporware chain, you can point at them and laugh at them directly into their face and then direct them to the GitHub weekly development activity where Cardano still reigns supreme. All right, guys, well, that's all I have for you today. I know it was a very short video, but a busy day indeed today. Thank you to Poop Pool for sponsoring this video. Again, guys, please donate, delegate, your ADA into this shit. I love you guys so much. Don't let your memes be dreams. I will talk to you tomorrow with the VeChain and Cardano updates, longer videos. Have a great day.